Looks like somebody took a poop. Let's see what else. Oh, there's another pooped one.
Misha, you know the people in here.
We're trying to make it funny.
Misha.
Got here some crusty socks. Let's see what else. Oh, these are totally damaged. The crusty and all pooped. Oh, these are pooped. Yeah, somebody had shot a lot.